again to try something new because it's just hair. So let's have some fun. And this time, I'm getting my kids in on the action. So my girls are gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna use some tips that Brand Mondo had left when he did a video about bad at-home haircuts, and my video was one of them. I did a really high ponytail and I cut it like that, and it came out really weird. He had some tips such as instead of one ponytail, doing several, and also doing them low enough so that you can cut like this and it's not like out like that. So I'm gonna put my hair in ponytails and then let my kids just hack it up and we'll see what happens. Straight down so it's not pulled at like some major angle. Don't worry, we're not going this short. I just want it up and we'll pull it down. I always struggle with the back. Okay, now that's kind of what I did last time when I went king, 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 and it was bad. I've got the ponytails. Maybe like that? That leaves us a little bit of wiggle room in case the girls really do a whack job. What are we doing? I think we're ready. You're gonna hold it and cut right under the...
Yeah?
Yep. Oh God. Wow, we're really going at an angle, aren't we? This is gonna be interesting. Copyright. Oh!
Oh my gosh. Mommy, pull hair.
Mommy's jacked up hair. I'm regretting this. A teeny tiny bit. Oh boy.
Lasting.
These ponytails. Oh my God. Wait. Who's next?
Me, Kenzo.
Kenzo's doing this side. Oh my God. Okay. Kenzo gave up. It hurts his hand. I'm scared.
There's still a tiny string.
Whoa! Done. Oh boy. Oh, done? Oh yeah. We're done. How do we think it came out, guys?
Good.
We think it's good. I won't need to fix it up at all.
Yeah.
Take them out.
I'll take this one.
Oh boy.
That looks good.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a little bit.
Yeah. All right.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're welcome.
How's it look? Is it straight?
Yeah.
Does it need a trim?
Nope.
No? Yeah, really?
So good. Do you like it?
Well, I think we've got something weird going on over here.
But Mommy, do you
I
like
think
it?
I do need to trim it up a little.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, see, it's not even.
Yeah, but yeah, it's kind of even here.
But, you guys did a good job. High five. Whoa.
Mommy.
Whoa. For 5-year-olds, they did a pretty good job. Gotta figure this out here. This went horrendously wrong. And I'm not really loving how it's just like, so I'm gonna trim it up and do some like upcut maybe and see what happens. Oh my, that's too choppy. Too choppy. What have I done? Whoops. Irreparable damages. Don't make it worse. Well, it's getting shorter and not necessarily better. Asylum chic, choppy, and the, Is this embarrassing? I think we're good enough for now. I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead. It's kind of like a choppy bob. Next, we're gonna color it red. Stay tuned.